Welcome to the exporter for ACT. Very simple program here. It just exports our data, our raw data from the ACT SQL database. So let's go and open up a database. I'm going into the ACT folder. I just happen to have a database on here called donation tracking, which I want to export all the data from. So I'll highlight that and say open. Of course, we need to enter in our password. What happens here by default is that ACT tables are displayed on here. So I'm just going to say select all the tables. I can be specific and select individual ones, but I can select all. Once my tables are selected, we're going to go down to section 2, select the destination. By default, it's going to create a folder on your desktop called Export, Impact, and then Donation Tracking, which is the name of the database. We can select file type, CVS or XML. Default is CVS. Here we want to remove any images that are embedded in objects such as notes, fields, and such. We can also turn on our new option, convert the RTF and or HTML code to pure ASCII. So our final option is export data now. We can export all the records, or we can say only records created after a certain date. That is, the contact created date is X, notes created date, activities created date. I'm just going to say only records created after, and I'll select last quarter or something, November 1st. And again, we have the options to convert the RTF and remove this information already selected. So I'm going to say export data now. And as you can see, it gives you some progress bar as it's doing the work. The work has been done, small database in this case, asking us to view the files. I'm going to say yes. And here's our files. It's in a folder on our desktop. Here's our activities, our campaign results, which is a custom table, history, notes, contacts, and such. These are all the CSV files that were created from the SQL ACT database. And they can be used to import into any other systems or for your websites or however you need that data. And that's it. Thank you for attending.